Wondering how long your garage door spring will last or how to tell when it's time to replace it? You're in the right place. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about garage door spring lifespan, warning signs, and when to call in the pros. Garage door springs are the muscle behind your garage door's smooth operation. But over time, all that tension adds up, and eventually, those springs wear out. There are two main types of garage door springs: torsion and extension. Torsion springs are the more modern, durable option. Located above the garage door, they typically last 7 to 12 years, or about 10,000 to 20,000 cycles. Extension springs, on the other hand, stretch along the tracks and last up to 10,000 cycles, a little less than torsion springs. How long your springs last depends on a few key factors. Daily use. The more often you open and close your door, the quicker springs wear out. Weather. Houston's humidity, heat, and storms can rust or weaken springs. Spring quality. Higher grade materials, like galvanized steel, last longer. Maintenance. Regular lubrication and inspections prevent early failure. Here are 5 signs it's time to replace your springs. 1. Door feels heavy or won't stay open. If the door suddenly feels heavier or starts sliding back down, your springs have lost tension. 2. Loud bang or snap noise. That loud bang you heard? It might have been a spring snapping under pressure. 3. Jerky door movements. Uneven or shaky movements mean one spring might be weaker than the other. 4. Visible gaps in the spring. Gaps, cracks, or a fully broken spring. Time to act fast. 5. Rusty or stretched springs. Rust or elongated coils weaken the metal and shorten the spring's lifespan. A broken spring doesn't just stop your door, it can also cause injuries, damage your opener, or leave your home vulnerable. Replacing them in time protects your family, your home, and your wallet. Spring replacement is dangerous if done incorrectly. At Easy Garage Door Repair, our experts are trained to safely remove and replace springs using high-quality materials built to last. If your springs are over 7 years old or showing signs of wear, don't wait. Call Easy Garage Door Repair today for a professional inspection and reliable replacement. Your safety is our priority.